And we had said that any day low was possible. Don't go long. If you're going to do anything, keep a trailer as long as you can day, just because it was that significant. It's a 3-minute chart. We never know where that's going to end on a day like today, but this is a huge outlier. And if you trade like that on every day, if you plan for a crash every day, you're going to be very disappointed. So, and we said, with that being said, we still have no signal that it's a long side trade because we're below the blue line. So this keeps us on the right side of the trade, but normally this is not the type of a day we will get. I mean, VIX is, crazy. It's up at 18, and, we've had one heck of a week. So my feelings, anytime that we get into this, into the 80s, you've got that 85 that the market will shop around. And in my opinion, anybody that is holding for position, make sure you get paid and put some stops. We said keeping 1802 as our resistance, right? The aqueduct trade back there, and we said back here, this in the afternoon, right in here. This is the hardest time because we're starting to come into the end of the day, and this is where traders need to decide. I don't like the long side, and I also said, there's a better odds if you get a bounce to hit that. But you can jump in. We said anytime you want, as long as you're disciplined, and we'll take a stop. So on a day like today, there's no reason to jump in and say we're going the other way. We're gonna fight this thing. It just doesn't make sense because we're in that no support zone in that swing chart, right? Said first half of that bar, and then obviously we can go any low. And this is just washing out all those traders who thought that they knew exactly, that this was going to bounce today. What time? 4:15. We closed on the lows. Very rare that we will close on the lows. And this is that bar right here, FOMC, and obviously no support built up that day. Once we break this low right here, this is the key, and it opens up the next opportunity. What a great day. And 100 points off on the NASDAQ. Remember that 123 higher high. So this is a day that just said, no relief. And this is capitulation here. Where finally the longs say, yeah, you're right, we need to pull back. And 83.5 was that measured move, 83 to 82. And currently right now, anybody that played this side today, and you're keeping a trailer for into the weekend or whatever, good luck. That's not the way I play. I like to get paid, and then I'll wake up. Actually, Sunday night, we'll take a look, see what's going on. Hope you had a good one, guys. Great day. I hope I kept you on the right side of the market, and we'll see you on Monday.